channel. My name is Bob and this is Driven Exotic Life. Today we're going to take my GTR down to TPG Tuning in Pitsburg, Pennsylvania, and we're going to get the downpipes installed as well as getting it retuned because I also put on an AMS intercooler. So let's head over to the shop. Let's get that trailer rewired up, and we'll get that bad boy on there so we can start heading down there. Bye, Pooch. Bye, Pooch.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
Alright, so now we're just going to get this car put back together. We're going to get it on this trailer, get it out of here. Get this out of here as well. And then we're off. So let's get to it. Alright, I'm about to get a cold start on the Evo here. Straighten out the wall. Watch the Cadillac. well, we're ready to go. We got all the straps down in here. We got it pretty tied down. My dad likes to go pretty nuts with the straps, so just let him do his thing. I think he held himself together pretty good this time. He didn't use as many straps, but my God, he is the knot monster for sure. So we're ready to go. So we got a 4.5 hour trip. Get down there. Should be fun. Man, she's looking pretty. It was just easier for us to leave the nose off to get it onto the trailer because this is a heavy equipment trailer. So hopefully we can get it off. We're bringing a bunch of ramps. These ramps right here. Some extra guys in case we have some issues. Should be fun. So yeah, let's get rolling on this bad boy.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
Alright guys, so at this time, we just got into the hotel. We're going to be, going to bed here shortly so we can be up super early so we can drop this car off. We're going to get that over to them at first thing in the morning. They're going to install the downpipes, and then we got a tune appointment at 1 o'clock. So we're going to definitely get that all set up and situated so that we can get this, this finished, and then we got another 5-hour drive all the way back home. So we can put all the bumper on, and then we can really let them rip. So we'll see you in the morning. Alright guys, so we're about to be heading over to TPG so we can get this over there so they can get all this shit installed. So we'll see when we get over there.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
Hell yeah, boys. We hit over 600 torque and about 560 wheel horsepower. So this is gonna be some good gains here. I'm super pumped, super pumped. Alright guys, so we're heading back to Buffalo now, so we'll talk about the exact gains, and I'll show you guys the dyno sheet as soon as I can get back to the shop, and we'll discuss that, and I'll show you all that. So we're gonna head out now. Okay, so we're gonna go with a crazy ass burger here. We got some elk on a brioche bun with some Diablo dust, white American cheese, honey habanero on the side, and some sea salt herb fries with pickled jalapenos and dilled pickle chips. It's gonna be interesting. More to come, more to come. Ooh, look at this bad boy. Oh yeah. Look at this, look at this. What do you got there?
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages.
Well, as you can see, I have picked up quite a bit of torque and some power here. And to be honest with you, I really wasn't expecting much, and I think I got a lot more than I was really expecting. You know, I came in with 530 horsepower with 558 foot-pounds of torque. Now, I walked away with just doing a cat delete and an intercooler upgrade. I now have 604 torque with 560 wheel horsepower. Now, honestly, I think those are really, really good gains. I really didn't expect to get that much power and torque from just doing an intercooler and a cat delete. I was expecting, you know, maybe 15, maybe 20. I wasn't expecting as much as I got. I got quite a bit more than that, and I'm really surprised, to be honest with you. The reason why I did the intercooler and the cats now is because I got a little bored and I wanted to do something to the car, seeing as how I didn't have enough money to do everything that I wanted to do right off the bat. So my future plans are to put turbos on the car, so that I can be sitting around 750 wheel horsepower. That's where I would like to sit. That's where I want to be for the time being. I need to sell this right here. This is my Honda Prelude that I have a Turbo H22 into that I just don't drive anymore, and once I sell this bad boy, I can get everything done that I need to get done. I also need to get my Transmission has the infamous bell housing rattle, which I can't stand, and I've had it since I've had the car. That needs to be fixed, as well as upgrading some of the internal components of the actual transmission itself. So that is part of my plans. You know, coming up here, I would like to get done before the end of the season here of 2019, but I don't know if that's going to be something that I get done. I might get the transmission fixed, and then maybe over the winter time, I'll have the turbos put into the car, or get some turbos and have them installed, and you know, we can see what we'll do from there as far as that's concerned. But as of right now, I think we got some good gains here. Make sure that you hit like, hit subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. I'm going to see you in the next video.